Check out this comment. Would a 10 by 11 bedroom work to convert to a bath and closet, or should it just be a bath? Let's take a look at it. All right, so this is SketchUp. I'm gonna draw the space, 10 by 11, 3.5 inch wall, 8-foot ceiling, and then I'm gonna block off 60 inches in the back for that closet. Let's show some shelving in there, a couple lines, do a full U of shelving working all the way around that closet. I'm gonna access that from the bathroom. We have a 48-inch vanity, 36 inches for the toilet, and then 36 inches for that shower space. It works, but that's gonna be a single bowl vanity. And we're accessing that closet from the main part of the bathroom to eliminate the extra door in the bedroom itself. And that also gives us some more storage space. Okay, so if we were to do bath only, I'm gonna show a full wall of vanity cabinets here, 36-inch vanity on either end, then with either some linen or sitting area in the middle. And then I'm gonna block off roughly 60 inches on the back here as well. But now we're gonna separate it into two little rooms, one for the toilet, one for the shower. This shower stall ends up being about 6.5 by 5.5. And then we have a private room for that toilet. Again, all that door accessed in there. If you have a quick floor plan question, put it down in the comments and maybe, just maybe, I will get to it. Thanks for watching.